In 2026, brands that still rely on traditional creators are already behind. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build high-performing AI UGC ads using ArcAds just like this one, and I'm going to show you step-by-step from setup to scaling so you can dominate attention without hiring any influencers. Now, I've tested a ton of different AI tools for creating video and especially UGC, and the best one by far is ArcAds. So this is ArcAds right here, and before we get into the video and exactly how to use ArcAds and set up ads so that you can run them yourself and get amazing results, check out the link in the description. I'm going to leave a link to join and sign up for ArcAds as well, so you can follow along in this video. Now, first of all, here's the results that I was able to get for my own advertising agency testing out ArcAds for myself. Now, just to show you this works, I put my own money behind these ads to see what the results were really like compared to other tools out there and other types of ads, including image ads, and the results are clear. AI UGC ads performed for us for my particular agency. We ran these ads and we were able to generate a cost per call of $82 and generate 14 overall booked calls. And we put about $1,000 behind this in November in the last 30 days, and it clearly outperformed the other formats that we were testing. So this is working, and this is what we're scaling our ads into right now. And going down to the ad account level, you can see right here, I actually have 7 different video ads, all using the same script, but all have different actors in very different scenes, obviously very different demographics, older, younger, male, female, and all of these were tested. And so we kind of found our one winner that we had, which was this particular ad right here. As you can see, it booked 11 calls for us. And if I go ahead and view this ad, you can see right here.
So look, you've probably been burned by ad agencies before, the ones that charge you $5,000 to $10,000 retainer.
That is 100% AI generated. And again, it's the one that's getting us the best results so far. So I want to show you exactly how to create a video just like this and allow you to select from all of the different creators that they have on the platform, such as this guy, or this guy, or this guy, or this girl, or hundreds of other options within ArcAds. So we're going to go over to ArcAds right here, and we're going to go ahead and log in. Now, once we're in ArcAds, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a new project for this. And this is essentially what houses our unique scripts that we can go ahead and upload into ArcAds and then select all of our actors and go ahead and create those ads. I'm also going to go ahead and create a folder right here. I'm just going to rename this to, okay. I'm just going to move this over into this folder right here. So we have our new project right here. Now, the first thing that we're greeted with here is that we are able to add in our script. And then we can go ahead and choose our talking actors, our video or image, and then we can also go see more right here. And they also have a variety of different capabilities and models that you can use inside of ArcAds. So you can use Nano Banana Pro, for example. You can also use Gling. They have specific presets for fashion try-on. They have Sora 2. They have VO 3.1, among many other models right here that you can select from. And these allow you to kind of tailor that experience for exactly the type of look that you're looking for. However, their most popular model is to just use their talking actors function, and then we can go ahead and add in our actors right here. And so we can select from all of these different actors and then get them to read off our script that we go ahead and upload. And so the first thing that we need to generate before using ArcAds is an actual script based on a proven winner from a competitor or maybe from yourself that we can go ahead and throw into ArcAds. And the best way to actually use it is to use the speech-to-speech function, which I'll show you how to use. And then we can go ahead and select our actors to read off that script, and then it will automatically produce those AI ads for us. So let's go ahead and jump over into Facebook ad library. All right, so I just looked up IM8, which is a popular supplement company that's been growing. They have David Beckham as kind of one of the founders there. And so they have a script right here. It's pretty long form, and this is kind of what we're looking for with ArcAds. This is usually a bit longer form. You can go up to 1,500 words total or characters. And so overall, you kind of want something that's a bit on the longer side. You can go shorter though, so you can make a much shorter AI UGC ad as well. But I just prefer to kind of the longer form ones. Typically gets better results. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a Google Doc and I'm going to go ahead and paste this in right here. So now I have this script right here, and I can go ahead and see how long this is overall. Okay, and so we can see we're at 833 characters, so we're totally good with that. And so we could go ahead and read this off, and all we got to do is just make some edits to this script just to make it, how we kind of want it to flow with a real person saying this out loud to make sure it fits. And then we can go ahead and record this and then bring that over into ArcAds for our final video. All right, so I've gone ahead and edited this script. I've made it so it sounds exactly like somebody who's actually giving a testimonial and their experience of using the products. And I framed this from somebody specifically older who's looking to get some, benefits from this product in terms of improving their energy, mobility, recovery. And so, we'll highlight all of those things within this script. And so what we can do now is we can take this script and then we can go back to ArcAds now, and then we can simply plug this in right here. And as you can see, this fits within the 1500 character limit right here. We can also adjust this. And so they have different models that we can use when uploading. And so ArcAds 1.0 is the recommended one. And especially if you go over higher character amounts, you're going to need to use ArcAds 1.0. They also have audio driven, that's max 600 characters. And then they have omni-human, which is 400 character limit. But again, ArcAds goes all the way up to 1500. And I've never tested these other models, but all I know is like ArcAds is purpose built specifically for these AI UGC ads. And so that's really the only one that you need to worry about. And then you have your different settings. So you can do text to speech, and then you can also do speech to speech, which is my preferred method for how you're going to get this video the most realistic possible. One of the main concerns and problems with AI UGC ads is that they look AI, they sound like AI is reading off the script, and you lose that, everybody's kind of has their guard up now for AI videos. And so if you kind of flag them as somebody who doesn't have any emotion, it sounds like AI, people are going to click off it and it's not genuine. And so the biggest thing with AI UGC is getting it to where it's realistic, it sounds genuine, and the best way to do that is, in my opinion, to use the speech to speech feature to get your own tonality in there and speak like a real person. And so I'm going to select that. And then what we have to do instead of uploading is go ahead and actually record this ourselves and upload that MP3 file. Now, if you did the text to speech, you can also auto add in emotion. And so it will kind of get the tonality there for you. And so for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you the text to speech function because that's probably the easiest for most people. And most people might not have like the recording setup that I do as well for kind of the cleanest audio. But we'll go ahead and auto add that, and it's gotten a lot better as well. And then what we can do now, if we just select add an emotion right here. And so as you can see, I added in the emotion right here. And so it kind of adds in some of those layers that you might not have had. So size, as we get older, firmly, excited, mischievously, curious, excited, laughs softly and firmly. And so we'll see, and we'll test that out to see exactly what that looks like, but that should enhance the quality of the ad overall. So now what we can do is select the actors right here. And again, to follow along and to make your own ads using any of these actors throughout this list I'm going to show you right here, there's a link in the description to go ahead and try ArcAds for yourself. So if you want to follow along, click that link. Otherwise, let's get back into the video. So we have all of the actors right here. The main things that you can sort by with these actors right here is gender. So there is a host of male only categories of men right here. And then you have your females as well within here. And so you can sort if you have a specific gender in mind that you want this to resonate with. Then you can also do an age range. And so for me, I'm looking for an adult or a senior, probably a male, or it could be a female as well for this particular video, because I'm framing it as, feeling younger with this actual product. So we can also look at the newly added HD, exclusive for Pro, and Real, and then you can also do the situation. And so you can do, where they are, what environment they're in, if that matters for your video as well as accessories too. So you can look at if they have a bag, if they are, doing the dishes, or they have food, or they have headphones, or some type of jewelry or knitting. So there's different things there, and then you can also have different emotions and skin tones as well. So for my video, I don't necessarily care where they're located, but I do want somebody who's, in a more casual setting potentially. And again, a bit older we're looking for. So I might actually even just do senior. So I'm looking for someone who's, a bit older. This guy could be a good example.
Welcome to ArcAds. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Tap any script you think will perform.
So yeah, I like this guy. I think that could do really well. I like that he's walking outside. That's where I've seen the best results as well, is when they're, kind of moving, keeping it a bit dynamic. I think that works really well with the AI ads. And so let's get one more actor here as well, maybe a woman.
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Create a script you think will work well, choose some actors, and let the magic happen. Together, let's skyrocket your ads performance.
All right. I also like this Bianca lady as well. I think it's pretty interesting. I think like winter time as well, which is when I'm recording this ad. I think being in the street setting is pretty interesting as well. So it could be kind of like an interview question. Somebody's asking her that. And so I think that'll be good for the video.
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Create.
Okay, so I actually found one that I like better. So this is
welcome to ArcAds.
Actually has a microphone interviewing her. And so we're going to use that as well. So once we have these two selected, we can go ahead and add these actors in. And then you can see we have our script right here. We have our 2 actors, and you can add as many as you want. And so we could have 8 actors all in one script ready to go. In this case, I'm just going to have these 2 just to see how they turn out. All right, and with that, I'm going to go ahead and upload this video, and we're going to go ahead and generate this. So we have our credits right here, and we can go ahead and generate our video. So some suggestions, we should be good to go here. Now, once you upload this, it will take about 10 minutes, 15 minutes to generate your videos. And from there, we can actually make changes and edits to the video to improve the tonality, emotion, and things like that so the video looks even better. All right, so our videos are done, and let's take a look.
So as I got older, I noticed changes in energy, balance, mobility, and recovery. Staying active took more effort, even when my desire to keep moving hadn't changed. So supporting my body properly to stay active becomes essential. IM8's Daily Ultimate Essentials was a game changer for me. It has 92 clinically dosed nutrients in one daily drink. It supports energy production, digestion, joint and muscle function, and overall cellular health. Instead of trying 50 different supplements, I just bought this and got the nutrients my body needed. The best part for me is I could try it for 30 days with their money-back guarantee. Once I gave it a try, I'll think I'll ever go back. I started feeling more alert, had more energy, less bloating and indigestion, more strength and faster recovery. I feel like I did 10 years ago. So if you're anything like me and feel like you're missing something from your diet and that spark you had when you were younger, give IM8 a try.
All right, so there we go. I don't know about you, but that looks awesome. I think the tonality and everything was great. Didn't even need to use speech-to-speech, and it came out awesome. Now let's check out the other video.
So as I got older, I noticed changes in energy, balance, mobility, and recovery. Staying active took more effort, even when my desire to keep moving hadn't changed. So supporting my body properly to stay active becomes essential. IM8's Daily Ultimate Essentials was a game changer for me. It has 92 clinically dosed nutrients in one daily drink. It supports energy production, digestion, joint and muscle function.
Yeah, so that looks awesome too. So both of these videos are 100% usable. I think there was maybe a small typo, but that's just in my script. And now what we can do from here as well is we can actually add captions into the video right here. And so we could simply just select that and go ahead and upload and go ahead and add captions into the video for 0.1 credit.
So as I got old.
So we can also remove the background as well. And so this is great if you want to just take this video, take this UGC actor and then add it onto another video, with like a talking head format with B-roll in the background showing off the product, etc. And so we can easily just remove that background and go ahead and download that video. So we can also remix this. And so we could take this same script. And so one thing that I did notice with this, again, was there was one issue with the script right here. So I needed to add in don't right here. So once I gave it a try, I don't think I'd ever go back. So that's the one typo there. And then what we can do is we can also adjust how this actor sounds as well. And so I noticed with Bianca, she was a bit too slow in her speech. And so you can actually listen to the playback before you go ahead and upload this video and generate another UGC video. And so let's just listen to this.
Hadn't changed. So to stay active becomes essential.
Okay, and so I've increased the speed to 1.2, so let's listen to what it sounds like now.
IM8's Daily Ultimate Essentials was a game changer for me. It has 92 clinical...
Okay, so I think we could even do a little bit faster, so I'm going to go to 1.4 times speed, see what that sounds like.
I noticed changes in energy, balance, mobility, and recovery, but even when my desire to keep moving hadn't changed. So supporting my body...
All right, let's listen to this now.
...properly to stay active becomes essential. IM8's Daily Ultimate Essentials was a game changer for me. It has 92 clinically dosed nutrients in one daily drink. Okay,
so I think that's pretty good. I'm just going to go down to 1.3 on the speed. I think that'll be good. Then we can also adjust stability right here. So this controls voice consistency. So lower values adds natural variances, making speech more dynamic. Higher values ensure a steadier, more predictable tone with fewer fluctuations. And so I'm going to actually decrease this. I'm going to decrease this to 0.25. I want a little bit more emotion, a little bit more dynamicism in the actual speech. And then I'm going to go to similarity right here. So this is adjust how closely consecutive speech segments match in tone, pronunciation. Higher values keep the voice uniform, while lower values introduce more subtle variations. And so I'm going to lower this as well to 0.5. And then we can also do style exaggeration, which enhances expressive elements like intonation, emotion, emphasis. Higher values make the voice more dramatic and animated, while lower values make it more neutral. So I'm going to bring this up to, I'm just going to go to 0.5 on this, and then let's listen to what this sounds like now. All right, let's listen to what this sounds like now.
Staying active took more effort, even when my desire to keep moving hadn't changed. So supporting my body properly to stay active becomes essential. IM8's Daily Ultimate Essentials was a game changer for me. It has 92 clinically dosed nutrients in one daily drink.
Okay, great. So I think that's solid. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to actually increase this a little bit further. I'm going to decrease this down a little bit more as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and drop that down. And then let's go ahead and upload this with those changes. And this AI UGC video should be even better. All right, the new video is now done. Let's take a look.
So as I got older, I noticed changes in energy, balance, mobility, and recovery. Staying active took more effort, even when my desire to keep moving hadn't changed. So, supporting my body properly to stay active becomes essential. IM8's Daily Ultimate Essentials was a game changer for me. It has 92 clinically dosed nutrients in one daily drink. It supports energy production, digestion, joint and muscle function, and overall cellular health. Instead of trying 50 different supplements, I just bought this and got the nutrients my body needed. The best part for me is I could try it for 30 days with their money-back guarantee. Once I gave it a try, I don't think I'd ever go back. I started feeling more alert, had more energy, less bloating and indigestion, more strength, and faster recovery. I feel like I did 10 years ago. So if you're anything like me and feel like you're missing something from your diet and that spark you had when you were younger, give IM8 a try.
All right, awesome. So that is the final product of this video. And what we could do with this is we could easily download this video and upload that. Again, that's exactly what I'm doing in my Facebook ad account. I'm not even doing any post editing. I'm uploading this entire video into Facebook ads and running it. But again, if you have a product, you could easily download that, remove the background, add in some B-roll, add in some additional editing to make that video even better. But that's pretty much the entire process there for you. So if you're done with using traditional creators, the new wave in 2026 is to be using AI UGC creators. It's only going to be getting better and better, and it's a fraction of the cost to create these videos, and you can have them live same day. So if you're ready to level up your ads, again, check the link in the description to go ahead and join and sign up for ArcAds and give it a try yourself. And also be sure to smash the like button. I'm trying to get to my first 10,000 subscribers, and so it really helps go a long way if you hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel. Now with that, I appreciate you watching, and if you're looking to check out another video, you can maybe go here or here. I'll see you there.